So, why Donald Miller's Electrical Services? We're going to make one more video here. So we're on a knob and tube rewire. This is the Villanova knob and tube rewire. And this is our kitchen prep area. I'm going to turn it around. All right. So this is the last day, and we got to be out of here tonight. So it's 7 o'clock right now. This is the remaining of the rewire. All right. So we're going to go through here. And this is where we're crossing over right now. All right. That's satisfying in some way. I don't know. When you get it all the way across, that's awesome.
How was it?
So this is our last room. So we have to wipe the windows down here. And you can see we still have to mop, but everything's up. So, when we're done, the homeowner gets to come home, and there's not an ounce of dust anywhere in the house. They actually get to come home and basically relax and not have to worry about wiping down after us or additional work that has to get done. It's a one-stop shop. When we leave, the house is cleaner than when we found it, and that's what we do every rewire. We want the house clean. If we're gonna make the mess, we're gonna wipe it down, and we're gonna do a thorough job wiping down. We're not just gonna do a half job, and then you have to go back and redo everything. All right, so thank you for watching Donald Miller's Electrical Services. God bless, take care, bye-bye.